Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share a feature inside Power BI to manage your default Power BI dataset. In most of the cases when you are creating a lakehouse and you are bringing different tables to your data model, sometimes your all tables are not ready and you want to utilize few tables for your reporting needs, and at later stage you want to add more tables, but because those tables are still present in your data lake and it is available and viewable to different users, so there is always a possibility that someone by mistake can select those tables which are still requiring some data preparation and some transformation. So in that case it is always required, like, you need to hide those tables from your dataset, so whoever is using your dataset to develop reports, they should not see those tables or views. So here I have an AdventureWorks lakehouse, and in this lakehouse I have brought some very known tables of AdventureWorks, and you can see that I have a lake house and a SQL endpoint. So for this lesson, or for this session, I'm going to show you how you can manage the default dataset of Power BI through the SQL endpoint. So here I'm going to click on AdventureWorks Lakehouse SQL endpoint. Once I'll click that, it's going to load and it's going to show me all those tables which I've brought from AdventureWorks, and they are present in my lakehouse. So here I'm going to click on reporting section, and from reporting there is an option of manage default Power BI dataset, and once you click over here you can see that within this there are all tables mentioned over here, and you can select those tables which you don't which you need, and by clicking on this you can see that you can select or find those tables, and in the filter as well you can view only tables or views. So here if I want to select dim customer only, so I can have dim customer table shown, and first I'll unselect and then I'm going to select the table which I need. I'll just increase the size a bit. So here manage default dataset, and here I'll unselect this one and dim customer, for example, or customer. I'll simply click dim customer and fact internet sales. So I've selected these two and I've confirmed my selection. Once it's done, only these two tables are enabled in my dataset, and once it's done, you can see that once I'll create a report out of it using the manage default, once, because I have already managed the default Power BI dataset, so new report will be loaded based on the default Power BI dataset. And once it's loaded, you will see that only two tables are visible. All other tables which are although present inside my lakehouse, but those are now hidden from the developers and they can work only on these selected tables. So this is a very handy exercise, and it is going to help you when you are in the middle of the project and your report developers need to start work on your report development. So you can let them work on the completed tables for which all transformation and data modeling is done, so they can start building their reports from this default dataset. And once your tables are ready, the additional tables are ready, by following the same process you can enable those new tables or views, and those will be visible for your report development. Hope you have understood this feature, and you can utilize it based on your scenarios. Thank you for watching. Keep following EZPowerBI.com and my YouTube channel EZPowerBI. Thank you.